Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to the WRRD News. This is Miss Sacco. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Please pause for a minute of silence. Now please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your chest.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you very much. Welcome back to another day of virtual learning, Roadrunners. I'm excited to see each and every one of you in your classes. In Rolling Ridge news today, meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge Cafeteria every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Don't forget to come by and get your breakfast and lunch. The weather today is expected to be rainy with a high temperature of 80 degrees. Today is a thankful Thursday. One thing that I am thankful for is the hard work and dedication that all of our Roadrunners, both teachers and students, have shown throughout the beginning of this school year. I am so proud of all of you for the hard work that you've been doing. Finally, today's question is from Anthony and Mrs. Mark's class. And Anthony asks, how do principals get all of the class links? Well, Anthony, your teachers shared all of their class links and information with us so that we can join you in your lessons every day. We get so excited to see the wonderful things that you're doing and learning about and the cool tech tools that you're using each and every day. Mr. Tuck and I will be stopping by your classes, so don't forget to give us a wave, but always pay attention to your teacher. That concludes the morning news this morning. Let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, bully free starts with me. We are champs. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. That's all. Have a great day, Rolling Ridge family. See you soon.